This is Martin Mesa with Rate One Financial. I'm a mortgage banker in Pasadena, California. Today we're going to be going over a home buyer tip, and we're actually going to start doing that once a week. We're going to send out a little video like this to cover just a brief home buying tip for all you home buyers out there or prospective home buyers out there. Okay, so today's tip is if you are in the market to buy a house, and let's say you've already been pre-approved by a lender for the financing you need to buy the house, the tip today is don't switch any of your money. Don't switch banks or bank accounts, or switch or move any of your money around. Now is not the time to do that, because if you find a house in the next week or two and you've been moving your money around, it's going to be a nightmare for you, because the bank is going to ask you to paper trail where all the money came from and where it went. Especially if you're using that money for part of your down payment or the closing costs or the reserves required for the loan you're qualifying for. So just keep your money still where it's at. If you need to move money around in large amounts, please, please, please check with your lender first. Check with your loan officer first. Let them know what you need to do, why you need to do it, and they'll give you the guidance on whether or not it's okay to do that or not. And more importantly, if you're going to move money around, how to do it so that it doesn't cause nightmares for you when you try to get your loan and buy your house. Okay? So that's the tip for today. Don't get new bank accounts. Don't close out bank accounts and get new ones and transfer monies. Just leave the money where they're at. And if you're going to do it, check with your loan officer first. Okay. Now, Trump, rates are getting better, and people thought they were going to get worse, and it's because Trump is causing fears in the market about potential trade wars, so specifically with Mexico. He was supposed to meet with the Mexican president, and they canceled that meeting because of some of the stuff that he's been saying about Mexico paying for the border wall, which the president of Mexico did not like. So that meeting was canceled. It's caused fears in the market about some potential trade wars going on, and that's uncertainty for the market. It's good for bonds, mortgage bonds specifically, and that's why you're seeing rates getting a little better this week. So anyway, hope you have a good week, and we'll see you next week for another home buying tip. Take care.